Concentration of cells. What is concentration of cell? It can be defined as electrochemical cell that consists of two half cells wherein the electrodes are same but they vary in concentration. As the cell has a hole straight to reach equilibrium, the more concentrated half cell is diluted and the half cell of lower concentration has its concentration increased via the transfer of electrons between these two half cells. Therefore, as the cell moves towards the chemical equilibrium, a potential is created. Here this picture depicts the concentration cell and its discharge process. Next, move on to the type of concentration cells. The concentration of cell mainly divided into two, electrode concentration cell and electrolyte concentration cells. First one, electrode concentration cell. This cell consists of identical solution used as an electrolyte in each half cell. However, the half cell differ in the concentration of the electrode. That means electrodes are made up of same material. For example, a cell consists of two nickel electrodes which are subjected to varying pressure but are immersed in a same solution. Cell representation is platinum, H2, pH2, that is pressure of hydrogen equal to P1/H+/H2. Here the pressure of hydrogen gas equal to P2, platinum, here P1 greater than P2. So, the electrode potential is equal to 2.303 RT by NF log P1 by P2. Second is electrolyte concentration cell. This cell consists of identical electrode immersed in a solution of the same electrolyte but with varying concentration. In this cell, the electrolyte tends to diffuse from higher concentration solution towards solution of lower concentration. For example, cell where the anode consists of Zn/Zn2 plus at 0.1 molar, where the cathode consists of Zn2 plus at 0.01 molar/Zn. In this cell, the flow of electron from anode to cathode is due to the reduction of Zn2 plus ion at the cathode into the metallic zinc. The cell representation of electrolyte concentration cell is Zn, Zn2 plus at C1 concentration. It is connected to salt bridge Zn2 plus at C2 concentration Zn. Here C2 greater than C1. So cell potential E cell equal to 2.303 RT by NF log C2 by C1, that's equal to 0.0591 by N log C2 by C1. This is regarding to concentration cell and its type. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start a class-like community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.